Happening in this region is in the entire tribal belt of North Bengal, consisting of this Kuch Bihar, Jalpaiguri, and in these regions, and including Darjeeling and Sikkim. What's happening is that a lot of young girls and boys are being sent for labor purposes to Delhi and to northern India, and there is a organized gang of people working for trafficking of these children and women, from especially because of lack of livelihood issues here and lack of employment opportunities. Lot of these kids and children who are in very poverty conditions are being traded off to through agents in these areas. What we intend to do in this region is that we are already, Shakti Vahini works very closely with the law enforcement agencies, and we are working with the anti-human trafficking unit, including the various criminal investigation units of the state police, and working closely with them, and also networking these anti-human trafficking units with the different anti-human trafficking at the destination area. So what we our first phase of work will be to strengthen the law enforcement agencies of both these regions, so that we can catch these trafficking gangs and convict them and put them behind bars. So that's our first initiative, and that is what is missing in this whole region in West Bengal, because no work has been done on these issues, and that's why there is a continuous increase in trafficking in this region. Of course, one or two rescues or one or two interventions may be happening, but this needs to be done at much wider basis, because West Bengal is a very important source area for trafficking, and is one of the highest places in India where trafficking is happening. So the first phase will be with working with the law enforcement, and the second phase will be to to empower these NGOs here, local organizations, and also strengthen the government response, work closely with the child protection units, so that we have some system in this place. And also we intend to start some income generation unit and training unit, so that we are not against migration, but at least people who want to go out and have jobs, they should be trained, and they should have a bargaining power, so that they are not exploited when they reach these areas. So we will be working very closely in the livelihood opportunities, as well as our first priority will be to strengthen the law enforcement's response.